Hi guys, welcome to this video about YouTube earnings. So I have made a video about falling YouTube earnings about 2 or 3 days ago, and what I was telling you, if you have a drop like this, so don't panic. Usually it will recover after a few days, weeks, or sometimes months, depending on the season, and there's not much you can do as long as your other numbers are still good, because it's just a market situation. And it turned out that it was more or less a quick recovery in my case, but actually in the meantime it got even worse. I didn't expect that it got even worse like this, and much worse. This is the situation which I had when I went to bed yesterday. I thought, oops, what's that? A glitch? I remember I had similar things for a couple of minutes or so, maybe an hour, and I was not too concerned. Then I woke up today in the morning, I remembered the problem, and I checked on YouTube, and the thing looked actually absolutely the same. So everything here was going up, and the estimated revenue was zero. I mean, I'm not talking about going down, it was zero. I checked later, couple of hours later, still zero. The whole day it was zero. I mean, almost for 24 hours. What I did in the meantime, I made a screenshot. I mean, you can go down on the YouTube site. So here we are at the bottom of the YouTube website, left side, and here's the right side. So in the middle we have this help button, and there is a send feedback buttons. You can click on that, and then you can make a screenshot. You can add, usually it works. So you can add the part of the page which you think is not good, and you can send some information here as well, and then send it to Google. And usually there is no response, no feedback from Google, but sometimes it helps and they solve the case. And this is what happened. A couple of hours later the problem was really resolved. I don't know if it was because of my feedback. So if you are stuck in the same situation for a longer time, I strongly suggest that you use this feedback button, make a screenshot, send them what problem you have. And in my case it solved the problem, and I was really happy, because I didn't know if YouTube had blocked me from getting revenues or whatever. I mean, I was not aware of doing something wrong, and usually YouTube sends some warnings if you have some some strikes. I mean, if you have, so usually it is about copyright things. If you show parts of a video, like from a movie or something from someone else, or like from a preview from the latest cinema movie, something like that, you could get technically copyright strikes if it's too heavy. I mean, usually shouldn't happen if you just make a review of a new movie, but you never know. I don't do such things. I try to avoid such problems, but you never know. But usually you will get warnings, and they don't do that just immediately. So I was not too concerned, but after almost 24 hours got a little bit concerned, of course. So I don't know how it solved, but it was luckily solved. It's not back on track. I mean, when you see that everything is really going up, I'm at the highest point of views, and everything. I spent a lot of time on videos, and earnings are more or less going down, at least in the last time. It's really disappointing. There seems to be no way to get to a decent income, but I keep trying. I do my very best. Maybe at some point I will succeed if I try and try and try. But yeah, anyway, so I'm back more or less on track. Not as I wanted, but it's okay. The thing is, I have really done a lot of research about this situation, and I couldn't find anything. I couldn't find other YouTube videos or other pages saying something about zero revenue. There are, when you go to Google AdSense, I think that's AdSense, where your YouTube channel is supposed to be included, and I mean the revenues of your YouTube channel are supposed to be in your Google AdSense account, and some people have been reporting that the revenues are not successfully transferred. That happens. That seem to happen. I didn't have anything like that, but that was the only thing I have found, and there are solutions for that. But it's definitely not the same problem. So I don't know if that ever happened to you as well, and what you did or how it's developed for you would be really interesting from you to hear what's your experience about that, and if you're in the same situation, if my solution works for you. So just let me know. It would be really interesting to talk about this. Just leave any comment in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.